I made my first $500 from scrap metal, and I had zero experience. I didn't own a truck. I didn't know prices. I didn't even know what was valuable. But I figured out a simple system anyone can copy. Step 1. I started with free sources: old appliances, curbside pickups, and job site leftovers. Most people see trash, but there's hidden money in metals like copper, aluminum, and brass. Step 2. I learned to separate metals. This is where beginners lose money. Clean copper can be worth way more than mixed scrap. Step 3. I found a local scrapyard and checked prices weekly. Prices change constantly, and timing matters. Within my first week, I turned free scrap into real cash. No experience, no special tools. Most people overlook this because they think it's dirty or complicated. But once you understand the basics, it's one of the easiest ways to start making money. If you want to learn exactly how to find, sort, and maximize your scrap profits, join my Discord community, Scrap Wealth. That's where I break everything down step by step and share real opportunities.